Hello, Timber Surfer here with a short video about my weekend at the Great Electric Train Show, or GETS as it's known, in Milton Keynes, held by Hornby Magazine. So I had a VIP ticket and was spent the weekend with some other well-known VIPs like Graham Fulston, Gary Lester TMC and Newlyn Road Clive. Spent the weekend with a few of them before as well. Last year was similar friends that we shared the weekend with. So a great time was had by all. There was over 30 layouts, which I just got a few pictures of them. To be honest, I go to the show because I like to do the YouTubers meetup and meet all my fellow YouTube people. But obviously there's a lot more to it than that. There's some fabulous layouts, it has to be said, and a wealth of traders, something like 30 layouts and 40 or something traders. And as usual, of course, I made the rummaging of the traders and got in at 9:30 in the first day, and Clive directed me to Ellis Clark, where there was a plethora of super cheap items. I can't believe the prices that were being offered for second-hand goods this year at GETS. It's surprising how low they are. I think, to be honest, that the prices of second-hand shows and toy fairs has gone down quite a lot. We do seem to have seen a price reduction across the board in the last few months. I'm very surprised at how cheap things are, but Ellis Clark and a couple of other traders were offering second-hand rummage boxes of wagons and things which were stunningly low priced, to the extent that I went with the absolute intention of only looking for press flow wagons, and I've stopped collecting all the other wagons because basically I've got enough. And then rummaging through the boxes, I saw things that were half the price that I paid in the past, and of course I couldn't stop myself. I ended up walking away £40 lighter from Ellis Clark and several more bags from other traders, to which I'll show you my total haul here. And so you can see the minuscule prices that I've been paying this weekend for second-hand wagons. And then of course there was my YouTube meet and greet, where my fellow YouTubers came to have a chat with each other. And this year was a little less than last year, but we still got 26 individual channels in attendance on the Saturday, and about 15 on the Sunday, which was a lot lower numbers. Not sure why, not everybody can make it to GETS, but it was great to see a lot of very familiar faces that I've met on a number of years and other shows. Great to catch up, and a lot of new faces as well. I met quite a few people both at the meet and greet and at the show that are well-known YouTubers that I'd been dying to meet, and finally got to meet them. And of course we also had someone from very far away, in Canada in fact, Charlie from Partick Hill, and SJ Trains from Denmark on the Saturday, which was great to see them. So later on the Saturday night there was an invitation for me to join into the closed door ceremony, which was the Hornby Magazine Awards for 2025. There were a number of categories, including best carriages, best locos, etc. It went on for quite a while. I don't think everybody's interested in seeing every last detail, so I've just picked out a few of the highlights, including obviously the YouTuber bits. There was 2 categories this year, both YouTuber layout of the year and YouTuber channel of the year. and as you will see, well, I'll let it explain it itself. That's who won. And then finally, of course, there's the manufacturer of the year, whose name I'll let you watch when it comes up.
And winning the award this year for Specialist Retailer is West Hill Wagon Works. Third place in this award was New Junction. Followed by that model railway guy in second place. And the winner in this category with more than 30% of the votes was Chadwick Model Railway. We also wanted to stick to the established Channel of the Year for model railways, popular contest and competition, which recognises the biggest challenge in the model railway sector. This busy vote saw the company choose the winner, and in third place was that model railway guy. Was Sam's Trains. And the winner of the YouTube Channel of the Year for model railways is Chadwick Model Railway. Public vote placed Hornby Hobbies in third place this year. Lido Trains UK came in second place. And the winner this year with 40% of all votes placed for this category is Acura Scale.
So if you enjoyed the video, please hit the subscribe button and hit that little bell and press the like button. I much appreciate it, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. So from me, Timber Surf, it's ciao for now.